Hey everybody!
Howdy, howdy, howdy.
Welcome back to the channel. Disney Crazy Family here. We got another mystery pin unboxing from our previous Box Lunch Money's haul. If you haven't seen that and don't know what we're talking about, we'll link it down below. It's epic. A lot of stuff came out of that clearance haul. So super excited. We are opening up today the relatively new Our Universe Stitch as a baby series. I've never wanted anime pins more than I have now. This is exactly what I want when I want Stitch pins. So let's get into these because these are so cute.
A little closer look.
Oh, goodness. Our Universe makes really, really good recycled material pins. And I'm excited because these are gonna be awesome. I do have some Stitch loving friends, so any duplicates, they are probably gonna get first dibs, to be honest. It comes
Originally $10.90, yes.
Yes, it comes in this like recycled, very loud,
Okay.
non-easy to open pin bag.
Okay.
And I say that as I probably should have grabbed scissors for this unboxing. Ooh, this is new. There's like a tiny little gem on the bottom to like signify its authenticity.
Oh,
I don't know.
Nice.
So the first one we have here, please be cute, please be cute.
Oh, how could it not be cute? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Yes! One of the ones I wanted the most. Oh my goodness. He is so cute. There is a tiny bit of screen printing for the pupils of Stitch's eye, as well as the pupils for the froggy, but oh my. When I saw these in on the website for Box Lunch, I immediately knew I had to get these because they're very similar in design to the Pink a la Mode pins that dropped a couple months ago, and I really wanted those, but maybe not for the price that they were originally. On sale and through trade, they would be fine.
Okay, I really do think we're going to need some scissors because that was difficult for me to open this thing.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get scissors.
I mean, if I didn't have teeth, I don't think I would have opened it up. Look. Oh my goodness. How adorable is he on the beach ball?
I love him. Oh, how cute. Very, very fun series. Why are these so darn cute?
I don't know, but that's adorable.
And why is he big? Like, don't y'all know that I have certain obligations on my pin stitch board?
You know what? They're just making sure we're getting our money's worth, and these are very cute.
Oh, I think I got a new one.
Let's hope. Oh, I think you did too. Different shape. Oh, he's singing to Scrump with the ukulele.
Oh man.
Oops.
It's so cute. We got these for regular price, but they did have Box Lunch Money going on. So we used that. Oh, why is it so cute? This is going to be a hard one to pick a favorite. I can already tell you.
Yes.
I will choose this one. Do you think we're going to get a full set today?
Oh, that would be lovely. Yes. Let's shoot for that.
Okay. Very, very cute. Oh! Did we get all that were left?
I think we did.
Like with Tiana?
Oh, look. It's a dupe, but he's so cute.
Oh man. The cuteness.
You can't help but think he is adorable.
Mine is also a duplicate, but
Oh,
different.
nice one.
Yeah, different duplicate than yours. Oh. Man, He's so cute. Oh. Yep, our Stitch loving friends. Man. If you haven't picked these up, what are y'all doing? This is crazy. Okay, I really want to manifest the one with the heart.
Okay.
In this box. No, wait. Can I take that back and have the duckies? Oh, they're just all so flippin' cute. Duckies.
So sweet.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, so cute. Now, okay, question. If they make them this cute, can we get some of the cousins this cute? I think that would be great.
Yeah.
I need Reuben try and hold a sandwich. Okay. Give him a Dagwood.
Oh, we got a dupe.
No.
Ukulele Stitch.
Okay.
But he's adorable.
So that just means we get to trade with some of you.
Yes, and Scrump is adorable.
Now who's got the duckies? Because that's the one I really want, I think.
Okay. Calm it down.
Sorry about the aggression.
Simmer.
Yeah, sorry about the aggression. It's just that the set is so cute. Okay. Oh, man.
Well, folks, that's it. That's what we got.
Now, if you're in the same boat as us and love extremely cute things, I'm so sorry you had to watch this video because it was great. This is one of my favorite Stitch unboxings I think we've done in a while.
Yeah. Cute aggression is real.
Oh, the cute aggression is real. Guys, okay, I need to finish this set, so please reach out if you have any for trade.
I see you back there. You're the one over there. Yep.
Darn you, our universe.
Quit trying to hide in the dark.
Oh, what they should do, one more suggestion for our universe. Have an angel matching set. Do you know how cute that would be together?
Okay.
Yes, angel. That would be adorable. And Disneyland has a new shop open in downtown Disney in which they have like Japan style merchandise now available.
Oh my goodness.
This is what the people want.
Is this like a Stitch mini sew?
No, they have like other characters.
Oh, okay. So a Disney mini sew.
Yeah.
That's cute.
It's kind of like that. It's the most glorious thing I've ever seen, besides the Pin Trader store.
Yeah, of course.
But next time we go, heading straight to that store.
Absolutely.
Oh, I love it. Let us know your favorite pin down below. You have 3 choices. I'm going with the frog. That's so cute.
Know. I am an Elvis fan. Don't come at me in the comments. And I do like a little cute Scrump, so...
But how can you not? Those eyes are searing into your soul.
But Scrump, he's just a cute cuddly. Alright, I think I'm going with Mr. Ukulele.
Pick your favorite down below. Let us know what you think of this series. Are you collecting? And we will see you next time, Pin Pals.
Thanks for coming to the table.
Goodbye!